the person, entity, family, individuals that bought this laundromat bought it. So they made an arrangement with a failed laundromat, bought it from the guy, and they probably think they're going to run it exactly the way that it sits. They're not going to make money.
Hello?
Hank.
Yes.
Hank, I see your information on the front of this laundromat. My name's Danny. I'm interested in talking lease terms with you, maybe giving you a rent check over here.
There's someone that already...
Yes, I'm sorry. You said...
Hello?
Hi.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Oh, somebody made an arrangement with the owner of the laundromat, and I signed a lease already with them. I've got about 10 people that wanted it, but this person signed, made a deal with the owner of the laundromat, and I gave him a lease.
Very nice.
Thank you for calling.
Oh, well, no problem. I hope that for your sake, I hope that they have other locations and that they know what they're doing out of the 10 people.
Well,
I mean, can you ever really trust another human being, Greg?
Sure, I think so.
No, the answer is you cannot.
I can tell you, the people that signed with me, I don't believe have other laundromats, but they own other like commercial property.
Yeah.
But they wanted it. They pursued it for like 4 or 5 months, and finally got me a letter from the owner saying that they've made an arrangement. Whatever they paid him, I don't know. It's not up to me. And but I don't think they have other laundromats. I don't think so.
Right.
One of the people that did call me said he owns 2 or 3, but he was a little late coming in because these people were at the 1 yard line. So
Understood.
but thank you.
I appreciate you, Hank. At the end of the day, I've got 36 locations in 3 states, and I own some commercial space myself. There's a lot of folks interested in laundromats, especially recently. There's been a lot of fervor in the market. I hope they do well. I honestly do. If they don't, I'll call you.
All right, now look, Fopper, I'm a patient man.
All right. Okay.
Now, this is our first ever conversation with a landlord, and you're thinking, gee, willikers, shucks, I missed out, right?
No, not really. I've seen lots of your videos, and I'm mentally prepared for this.
Well, mentally prepared.
Sure.
It's human nature. You missed something. No, this guy is old as dirt. He says it's not up to me. The person, entity, family, individuals that bought this laundromat bought it. So they made an arrangement with a failed laundromat, bought it from the guy, and they probably think they're going to run it exactly the way that it sits. They're not going to make money. And Hank, well, they're at the 1 yard line, and I had maybe 10 people call me. He didn't have 10 people call him. He had 2 people call him. Here's the point. What you need to do with this store is keep a close eye on it. And we can, in 6 months, if nothing changes, if the doors are still closed, we will call our friend Hank back. The number is saved in my phone, links back to you.
We'll be watching you.
And find me some more stores. We will do this over and over until we get you one.
Sure. Okay.
Thanks.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.